Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add a location to your Instagram story on Android. Whether you're sharing your travel adventures or just letting your friends know where you're hanging out, adding a location to your Instagram story is a great way to add context to your content. So, without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Swipe left to post a story and click on the emoji icon. First things first, swipe left on your Instagram feed to access the story camera. Once you've taken a photo or video, click on the emoji icon at the top of the screen. Step 2. Search for the location feature. After clicking on the emoji icon, you'll see a list of features to choose from. Scroll down until you find the location feature. Tap on it to proceed to the next step. Step 3. Search your location. Name or address. Once you've selected the location feature, you'll see a search bar at the top of the screen. Type in the name or address of the location you want to add to your story. Instagram will show you a list of locations that match your search. Step 4. Click on your location and place it where you want on your story. After finding the location you want to add, click on it to select it. You can then place the location tag wherever you want on your story by dragging it around the screen. And that's it. Adding a location to your Instagram story on Android is quick and easy. Now you can share your adventures and keep your friends in the loop about where you are. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one.